The Audi PB18 e-tron doesn't whisper the future, it shouts it. A concept born from Le Mans and forged for the road, this is Audi's vision of raw electric power unchained from convention. No compromises. No dilution. Just adrenaline wrapped in aluminum and carbon fiber. Its design is more than bold, it's ballistic. Low-slung, wide, aggressive. At the front, the signature Audi light signature is reimagined with razor-thin digital matrix LED strips, flanking an inverted single-frame grille that breathes more menace than air. Sharp sculpted lines cut through the body like blades, guiding airflow precisely where it's needed, into the active cooling ducts, past the haunches, and out through the rear diffuser. Every surface, every curve, every angle is a nod to Audi's racing DNA. It's not pretty by accident, it's performance carved in form. Step to the side and you see proportions that scream track-focused intent. A teardrop glasshouse, massive staggered wheels tucked tightly under flared arches, and a roofline barely taller than your shoulder. The doors open with a dramatic scissor-like motion, giving way to an interior that's just as extreme. Inside the PB18 e-tron, you're not just a driver, you're the pilot. The cockpit is modular. Literally. The entire driver's seat, pedals, and steering column can slide from the traditional left-hand position to the center of the car, transforming it into a true single-seater. Inspired by the layout of an LMP1 race car, it's immersive and driver-focused down to the millimeter. Displays are fully digital, of course, floating around you like a HUD in a fighter jet. The steering wheel houses all vital controls, and the materials are a fusion of motorsport precision and futuristic luxury, raw aluminum, matte carbon fiber, and Alcantara throughout. There's no clutter, no unnecessary tech distractions. Just a pure connection between human and machine. And the performance? It's nearly mythic. The PB18 e-tron is powered by 3 electric motors, 1 up front, 2 at the rear, delivering a combined 671 horsepower, and in boost mode, up to 764. That translates to a 0 to 60 sprint in just over 2 seconds. There's no delay, no lag, just instant torque, endless grip, and acceleration that pins you to the back of your seat like a fighter jet launching off a carrier. It rides on a solid-state battery with an 800-volt architecture, offering over 300 miles of range and charging from 0 to 80% in just 15 minutes. But the real magic is in the control. With rear-bias torque distribution, active suspension, and a carbon-ceramic braking system, the PB18 doesn't just go fast, it corners with precision that feels impossible for a car this powerful. This isn't just an EV. It's not a luxury car trying to be sporty. It's a race car that's been taught how to live on the road, but just barely. The Audi PB18 e-tron is wild, unapologetic, and ahead of its time. It's not a glimpse of what's next. It's a challenge to everything that came before.